everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I am here to present to you my Golden Summer Junk Journal and I am very excited. I had to rush this project because I'm very late. This is actually my project for the hashtag Final Days of Summer collaboration with Nathalie of LineDotArrow and Suzanne of Nonstoppapercrafts. They created this beautiful digital kit called the Final Days of Summer, and I was supposed to join the weekly challenges but was not able to make it, and the only project that I was able to create was this journal. So here it is. I will do the flip through, but before I play the music and proceed with the flip through, I'd like to thank Nathalie and Suzanne once again for inviting me to be a design team member, a guest design team member for the month of September. Your works and designs are fabulous, and I really love creating projects using those beautiful digital kits. So thanks once again. I rushed this project, but I tried to make it beautiful, so I hope that you will like this because it was really fun using those beautiful designs by Nathalie and Suzanne. Okay, so let's take a look at this cover. So the base is a cereal box, and then I covered with one of the pages from the Final Days of Summer digital kit, and I fussy cut this title, Golden Summer, the butterfly, also this boot. This is very pretty, and then I also added some tags. So you can see that I decorated it with seam binding, and then I added this fussy cut flower as well. The closure is Indian sari fabric, which is not attached. And then I just attached this very old jewelry. These jewelry pieces are actually antique already. So this is a locket, and I didn't put anything or any image inside because then it's easy to just add a picture maybe or a sentiment inside. And then this is from a necklace. The spine is 2 inches, and I covered the spine with the beige lace, which is also very pretty. So all the edges are stitched. Some of the pages are also stitched. When I decorate my journals, I also add laces, trims, fabrics, and seam binding. So some of the edges have been adorned with those pieces. I think that they make the journal prettier. So here's the back, which is very plain and simple. I didn't add anything here. Just lovely image from the kit. And for the measurement, this journal is 8.5 by 6 with a 2-inch spine. There are about 92 pages front and back. Like my other journals, this is still a writing journal, though the pages are embellished with tucks and pockets, and there are plenty of journaling cards, tags that have seam binding, and just simple embellishments. There are 2 signatures. There's enough space for writing and adding more embellishments. The back of the journaling cards and ephemera and tags are blank, so lots of opportunities for writing. Also, I used my Dymo Express to create the sentiments. Nathalie and Suzanne have sentiments which are added to the kit, but I didn't use it in this journal because I will use that for another project. Okay, so we'll do the flip through now. Oh, but before that, I'd like to let you know that I will be drawing another winner of my lace and trim giveaway. This was done a month ago, but the winner was not able to claim the prize. So I will pick another winner before the end of this video. So there you go, everyone. This is my Golden Summer Junk Journal using the beautiful kit by LineDotArrow and Nonstoppapercrafts called The Final Days of Summer. The links of Nathalie and Suzanne will be in my description, and also the information about this journal will be in my description. This will be listed in my Etsy shop. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Before I go, let us do the drawing for the giveaway. The names of the subscribers who participated in the giveaway a month ago are still here, and so we are going to pick one winner. Good luck to everyone who joined. So here it is. Here's my new winner. Crafting with Bonnie. Congratulations. I know Bonnie. She's one of my great subscribers and supporters. So thank you so much, Bonnie. Please do not forget to email me your information, your address. I think I have your address, but just to confirm, send me an email as well. And this set will be yours. So thanks so much, Bonnie, and for all those who participated. Hope to see you all again next time. Thanks so much for your support. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.